Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming KYC and ensuring your new mobile number is active. Banks verify SIM details. Once logged into SBI Online or Yono, navigate to Profile or Service Requests. Make sure your Aadhaar and PAN are accessible because you may need to authenticate. Enter the new phone number in the designated field and request OTP. This verifies ownership. Pause to check that your session is secure and use a private network when entering sensitive details. Once done with initial entry, you proceed to submit the change request. Select Update Mobile Number, enter the new number, and trigger OTP to that SIM. You must enter OTP promptly to confirm possession. If the system asks for Aadhaar eKYC, use the masked OTP flow or upload supporting documents as instructed. Make sure to review the change summary before final submission. This prevents typos which cause failed OTPs and delays. After submission, note the reference number. You finish by confirming the update. Check for SMS confirmation and verify the number in your profile. Changes often reflect within 24 to 48 hours. If online verification fails, make sure your new SIM is active and can receive OTPs. Otherwise, visit the branch with original ID and the reference number to complete in-person verification. If problems persist, contact SBI Customer Care with your reference and screenshots so they can trace the request and resolve mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.